Hello, welcome to Chaka Ki Leb Acholi. I'm Jacqueline Kang of Cot. This is just a test. I'm testing this out. Um, I want to see if people can join the live stream. Yeah, cool. Testing. This is our first live stream. I'm Chaka Ki Leb Acholi. I'm Jacqueline Kang of Cot. We hope people can see this video and join the live. I want to look about culture. Chaka Chuli. Gileba Chuli Wine. Looking into a low migration. I've been all about already. I'm hoping somebody will come and watch. ah, Chaka Ki Leb Acholi. Nining, Acholi community. Kamutie ye waje hi. Man live stream to me a chill. Utie Nining. Say hello, leave comments, messages. Uh, say hello, Nining. Whenever you can. Where are you located? Anati, New York City. Donna Venepe on that. I hope after I stop this, Donna to run a video in it. Well, okay, this is just a test. It's been 3 minutes. I'm Jacqueline Kang of Cot. Chaka Ki Leb Acholi. Please join us on Friday or Saturday this week. We will be posting new episodes. Chaka Ki Leb Acholi to discuss. Look, me take Chaka Choli, Guinea, Leb Acholi, history. Look, me do go la to Guinea wine there, Choli Kuja. Okay, though. Take care. Bye bye.